On both STG poly and steel tanks, we have two ways of filling the water tank. We have the hydrant fill point, which is here, which has a standard check valve. The second way we can fill an STG water tank is from a self-fill point. So anywhere that you've got a dam or a lake, this is a point that you'll fill from. So in the back of all STG tanks, there's a couple of hoses that are about 3.5 meters long, which you can join together, hook onto here. You always want to have a foot valve down into the lake so you're not pulling up any rocks. And with the pump underneath the truck, you can literally fill the dam straight up from that point.
If you would ever come across any other problem that you can't sort out for these videos, you can always visit our website at stgglobal.net and download the manuals for any of our trucks. Or you can reach out to our staff who are always ready to help at 1300998 784.